If you want to see my earnings, yes, I want to prove to you that this business is working. Let's go to the app straight away, Digital Adverts Limited. So as you can see, this is my balance. This is my balance. You can see this money. This shows that I have been working and I have gotten the money. So if you go to my account history, yes, let's wait and we see. So the company always pays us in commissions. So you can see today the date is 24th October. I got this money from a referral. You can see how I've been earning that money. This may seem as little money, but over time it grows and becomes a lot of money. Yes, so this is the money I earn every day. For this money, I don't work actually for it, but because I brought friends who I get discounted, so I end up getting some few coins. So that is my account history.